Yep. Your experience will be slightly modified, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Keep going. Stay single file. Follow the lieutenant.
E se a gente quiser, a gente pode ir lá pra fila do
Stay single file. Não batalhando.
On the left side, you can split up as necessary for your interrogation. Single riders here on the left.
Wow. Might have gone this twice.
one, you're gonna follow that. Three, you're gonna follow that one.
Right stuff right here. How many? One? Silver? This way? Or this way? How many? If you're wearing anything on top of your head, now is the time to remove it. Any bags, take them off, hold them in your hand. Ready to move?
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
is going to be in the front, orange is going to be in the back. Silver in front, orange in back.
Wait,
Everybody thin.
wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Left to right, one more time.
Lieutenant Beck.
Left to right.
We need to find a way.
Cargo has to be taken off.
Recursos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
On the right hand side. Thank you so much. In my front row, check on that yellow strap. It's going to be on the right hand side. Thank you. Everybody, arms up, everyone checks. Arms up, arms up. Full thumbs up. Thank you. My back arms up. Thank you. These doors are closed momentarily, so wear your nose. Finally, any loose articles of clothing on your head got to be in your arms or down on the floor as well. This is R5. We've been in your program to get you out of here and back up to as safe as possible. Best of luck. Mid-force be with you, recruits.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, if those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's the floors. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from...
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits.
Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.